Dear students, this is Harinaganand Idumudi, shorthand instructor. To get updates with regard to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Our channel name is Shorthand Hub for General and Legal Dictations. If you want to join in my WhatsApp group, please send a message to 970-4455-502. Now I am going to dictate a passage relating to shorthand, that is 80 words per minute. Ready? 5 seconds. Start. This criminal petition under section 438 CRPC is filed to enlarge the petitioners on bail in the event of their arrest, as they are apprehending arrest in connection with crime number 143 of 2017 pending on the file of Station House Officer, New Delhi, North Zone. The case of the prosecution in brief is that the complainant's husband, having one brother by name Srinivasulu, the petitioner herein, and there were disputes in respect of the property at the time of partition, and petitioner number 1 filed OS 1120 of 2014 pending on the file of additional district judge for separate possession. After filing the suit, her late husband became nervous and used to say with her that in view of the harassment of her brother, it is better to commit suicide, and it is further alleged that the petitioner number 1 went to the shop of her late husband regularly, which is situated at vegetable market at police station, and said that if he commits suicide, entire property devolves upon him. It is also alleged that petitioner number 2, who is an advocate by profession, filed a suit against her husband, and that both the petitioners threatened her husband to compromise the suit, otherwise to book certain cases against them, and due to such threat, the husband of the complainant committed suicide on 21/4/2018 at about 7 am. The counsel for the petitioners contended that petitioner number 2 is no way responsible, and there is no material against him, as to only file the suit against the husband of the complainant, and hence he can't be enroped in the crime registered for the offences punishable under section 306 read with 34 IPC. In the absence of any material against the petitioners, the petitioner can't be arrested. In support of his contentions, the Land Council for the petitioner placed reliance on a judgment reported in Ramchandra Reddy's case. Learned public prosecutor for the state of Andhra Pradesh produced the diary maintained by the deceased, where there is reference about specific allegations about these petitioners and the harassment in the hands of the petitioners. Based on this diary, he contended that there is sufficient material against both the petitioners, and at this stage the petitioners can't be enlarged on bail and prayed for dismissal of the petition. Undoubtedly, the de facto complainant lodged a report referring the names of both A1 and A2, the petitioners herein, and the petitioner number 2 filed OS number 120 of 2014 for various reliefs pending before the civil court. The role attributed to petitioner number 2 is that he, along with the petitioner number 1, threatened the husband of the complainant to compound the said case, otherwise to book cases against the husband of the complainant, and accordingly A1 and A2 threatened the deceased in the same lines of A1, having vexed with the attitude of the petitioners, the husband of the complainant committed suicide by hanging. Therefore, the said fact is supported by diary maintained by the deceased, where several instances were noted, more particularly how he was threatened by the petitioners and how they harassed the deceased, etc., which led him to commit suicide, having no other alternative. Land Council for the petitioners, while contending that the petitioners are entitled to bail, though it is an offence punishable under section 306 IPC. Stop.